And then day eight, which is a new thing we just put together, isn't it,
Yeah.
Gareth, to reflect the times.
To reflect the times, yeah. So day eight is we're going to focus on technology, and I mean technology has always been a part of agencies are often well, have been for a long time. Digital and technology has been a core part of our businesses. We used to lump this together in operations, but with AI now, it feels as now is the time to separate this out. So we've separated it out into a separate day. We're going to focus on tech and AI in terms of how we use tech and AI in our businesses to streamline and scale the agency profitably. So we're going to look at how we're going to look at technology, and we're going to firstly start with how agencies generally aren't short of tools, or certainly the desire to digital tools, or certainly the desire to use and adopt digital tools, but they are often short on clarity on what the technology is actually for, and actually deploying it consistently. So we're going to shift the mindset from just tools to the actual business impact. So focus on where technology generally saves time, improves quality, and helps us to scale. Then we're going to look at sort of identifying high automation and AI use cases, prioritizing where technology can actually help us deliver a more scalable business. Look at AI adoption, how you need to manage AI adoption, not just in terms of implementing the tech, but also how you need to manage the culture and the people in the business and help the people in the business adopt this new technology. And then finally, finish on creating how you create a technology roadmap. So scalability, this has always been the case, but the outcome of this day is focus really is on scalability, and that's always been the case. But in the future, that's going to be even more important to embrace. So, giving people a clear, practical approach to using technology, including AI, to increase output, productivity, and profitability without undermining the quality of the work, certainly, and without undermining the culture and the individuals, the people who will remain absolutely crucial to us in running agencies in the future. So helping them get the most out of technology rather than replacing them with technology, of course.